Today, making Carolina Gold barbecue sauce. It's easy to make. Half a cup of mustard, yellow mustard. I just take this lid off. Yeah, it's much better. This is a 1 cup measure, so it's going to take everything in this jar here. So it gets 1 cup of apple cider vinegar. So I've got my vinegar here. I'm going to put this on some wings this afternoon. I'm going to clean this out here just a minute. Get all that goodness out of there. Oh yeah, perfect. Need my mess here. Got my high-tech mixing container, a pickle jar. Now let's fill this up. It takes 1/2 a cup of apple cider vinegar. Get everything cleaned off the bottom here. There's the apple cider vinegar. 1/4 cup of brown sugar. The sweetness, the tang is already in here. The mustard and the apple cider vinegar. Here's the sweetness going in. One tablespoon of soy sauce. One teaspoon of garlic powder. That would be a couple of shakes like that. 1 teaspoon of onion powder. A couple of shakes like that. You can measure it if you'd like to. I've got a set of measuring spoons. And 1/2 teaspoon of black powder. 1/2 teaspoon of red cayenne pepper. You want to shake this around until all the sugar is dissolved. Let me see if my checking. Let's see if this chicken's getting close. It should be. $159, 180 on the smaller one. All of them except this one's good. Just a couple more minutes. Taste of this. Oh, that's good. Very good. All right, let's check and see if all these are ready. This is the fatter one. That's the one that was close. Let's check on this in here. Oh, 170. They're all ready. Let's drench these babies down good. What's hot? Takes about 20 minutes to cook these in air fryer on 400. I've got a video out on how to do it. Got the wife's garlic parmesan. Some steak fries. Made out of sliced frozen baked potatoes. They sure are good like this. There it is, boys and girls. Carolina Gold barbecue sauce, sweet and tangy, a little heat. Some home fries, potatoes, dipping sauce. And for the wife, garlic parmesan and potatoes on hers. I appreciate you being on my channel. Enjoy this recipe. It's really good.